Palantir stock jumped last quarter, but shares have fallen around 20% since. At the latest price, the company has a market cap of $39 billion. With $3 billion of cash and investments and no debt, the enterprise value is $35.6 billion. Revenue over the last 12 months comes to just over $2.1 billion, with $154 million of net income and $475 million of free cash flow. So Palantir stock is valued at 17 times revenue, 250 times earnings, and 75 times free cash flow. That's an expensive valuation, but it's not out of line with other software businesses. ServiceNow, for example, trades at 18 times revenue, while Datadog trades at 20 times revenue. The difference, however, is that both of those companies have stronger revenue growth, margins, and retention. Trailing revenue growth at Palantir, for example, has decelerated to 16%, while ServiceNow is 23% and Datadog is 31%. And while Palantir reports a net dollar retention rate of 106%, Datadog and ServiceNow both report retention metrics over 120%. That said, Palantir may not be too far away. In the latest quarter, commercial revenue increased 33%, and in November the company won a £300 million contract to help the NHS. That should contribute only £25 million in the first year, but it demonstrates the effectiveness of the product. So if Palantir sees more growth in commercial revenue and strong uptake for its AI software AIP, then the stock can still move higher. Let's consider a scenario where Palantir grows its top line revenue at 25% per year for the next 5 years, then operates with a 25% free cash flow margin. That would translate to $1.6 billion of free cash flow in 5 years' time, and a 35 times multiple takes the enterprise value to $57 billion. That works out to an investment return of 10% per year. The problem, however, is that Palantir revenue growth is currently tracking at 16% per year and free cash flow conversion is 22%. So you can see an awful lot of growth is already priced in. I wouldn't be surprised if Palantir's stock moves higher towards earnings, but to buy Palantir as a long-term investment, I'd like to see an improvement in revenue growth and an improvement in net dollar retention. Until then, I give this stock a neutral rating, but these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I've got no position in Palantir. For more investing videos, make sure to visit my website 3minutebreakdowns.com. Thank you for watching.